Good day to you, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to another video with CryptoNinjas. My name is Dale, and Binance just announced its brand new feature called the Binance Alpha 2.0. If you've been in crypto, then you have probably heard of the Binance Alpha. It is a brand new feature on the Binance Web3 wallet that leads any meme coins on DEXs with potentials. This time, Binance has taken it to a next level and introducing Binance Alpha 2.0. So what is this new feature? Let's talk about it. But before we dive into the video, make sure to follow CryptoNinjas on all of our socials and use our referral link for Binance for 20% off your trading fees for life. Thank you very much. So this is the official announcement from Binance Exchange in China introducing the Binance Alpha 2.0. You can also click on this post to learn more about this new feature. First of all, Binance Alpha, the original feature, is a platform focused on discovering early-stage crypto projects with growth potential in the Web3 ecosystem. Some of the tokens displayed on Binance Alpha may be considered for listing on the Binance Spot exchange in the future, but there is no guarantee. Absolutely, a lot of these Binance Alpha tokens have been listed before, so this is amazing news, right? Since this was an amazing feature, the tokens on Binance Alpha are selected through Binance industry expert and advanced data analysis, focusing on projects with strong community support, growing market traction, and alignment with key trends in the crypto ecosystem. Amazing. But Binance Alpha is such an innovative project because right now it is an expansion of the Binance Alpha original, integrating it directly into the Binance Exchange platform while still being accessible in the Binance Wallet. This innovative solution bridges the gap between centralized exchanges and decentralized exchanges, improving liquidity, capital efficiency, and user accessibility. Here are some of its features. The users can purchase on-chain tokens directly on the Binance Exchange, Binance.com, without withdrawing assets to an external wallet or creating an on-chain wallet. This is such a huge feature because, again, right now, if you want to buy any meme token or any AI token or any DeFi, whatever token it is, that are not on the Binance Exchange, you have to withdraw your funds from Binance to a non-custodial wallet, for example, like MetaMask or Binance Wallet, whatever, like a Web3 wallet, right? After you withdraw your funds, you can now purchase the meme tokens, okay? But with this Binance Alpha 2.0, you don't have to even withdraw your funds. You can just buy that token directly from Binance through your spots, funds, and other accounts. You don't have to go anywhere else. So this immediately got me thinking, does that mean that all of the tokens on Binance Alpha 2.0 are automatically be listed on Binance Spot Market? And the answer is no, they are not listed on Binance Spot. There is a difference. You can buy it through the Binance Exchange, but they are not listed on it. So that's a huge difference, all right? There's gonna be a different tab for Binance Alpha 2.0 markets, okay? And that tab, even though on your Binance app and the Binance Exchange, it is separate, okay? It doesn't mean that the tokens available on Binance Alpha 2.0 are listed on Spot. So there's a huge difference. Now, there are a few very important advantages when it comes to Binance Alpha 2.0, and first of all is obviously, no more wallet transfers, all right? So no need to send funds from Binance to, Web3 wallets. That's gonna cost you gas fee, and it's gonna take you even more time. So no, you just have to use your Binance Spot account. So that's amazing. The second pro is that it has lower fees and faster trades. Yeah, a very important aspect of not having to withdraw your funds is obviously saving on the withdrawal money. And obviously, it's gonna allow you to trade the meme coins that you like, or any DeFi tokens you like, faster, right? You don't have to wait for the withdrawal progress. So amazing. The next thing is more liquidity, right? Since Alpha 2.0 bridges centralized and decentralized trading, more buyers and sellers mean there are more, liquidity. Personally, I know a lot of people that only store their asset on Binance because they don't really care about meme coin tradings, or basically it's just too complicated for them to be trading meme coins on Solana or other ecosystems, so they just don't do that, right? But with this feature, they can just do that. They can just buy any meme coins they like through their account. So that's amazing. The fourth and I think the most important advantage to this feature is that it's gonna be very incentivizing for community-driven token. Because in case you guys don't know, Binance recently has taken a very community-driven approach where they allow users to vote on, token listing, right? So with this feature on Binance Alpha 2.0, I have no doubt that they are going to also allow the community to vote on any tokens to be listed on Binance Alpha 2.0. And if a token is listed on Binance Alpha 2.0, they are basically like, indirectly being listed on Binance Exchange because you can just buy that token through Binance, right? So it's amazing news. But we still have to talk about some of the cons or the disadvantages of Binance Alpha 2.0. First of all, it is not decentralized, right? But I think you know that already. Since the trades are happening on Binance, your funds are still under Binance custody. So if you are a person that are against centralized exchanges, this feature might not be for you. The second cons is that right now it's only available in some restricted countries, specifically Chinese-speaking country. And I don't know if they're going to be opening this feature for the global communities anytime soon. The third and the final cons or drawbacks is that this feature can never replace a decentralized exchange. Again, I think that this is an amazing feature and Binance Alpha 2.0 is a stepping stone towards a hybrid model between centralized and decentralized trading. But however, I think that this cannot replace the trading experience on a true decentralized exchange. Let's imagine if you want to buy a new meme, let's say on pump.fun or fall.meme, the meme coin launchpad, then you cannot do that on Binance Alpha 2.0 because if you want to buy tokens on Binance Alpha 2.0, those tokens have to be listed on that market, right? And obviously the new meme coins on 4.meme or pump.fun, they're not going to be listed. So should you use Binance Alpha 2.0? And my answer is yes. If you are a Binance user, you would love this feature, all right? Because this is very easy to access new meme tokens. You don't have to go anywhere else. You don't need external wallets to do that as well. However, if you are a hardcore DeFi user who prefers self-custody and full decentralization, this feature is not for you. And that's it for my video doing a quick review about Binance Alpha 2.0. Let me know what you think down in the comments below and make sure to subscribe to CryptoNinjas for the best crypto content. Use our referral links for Binance for 20% off of all your trading fees for life. Thank you very much for watching. Daily out.